Here's how to fix a lag in Android. Now from here, we're going to swipe up because we need to get to your settings. So tap on the settings icon. And from here, we need to find the apps section. So scroll down until you find the section for apps and tap on that. From your apps section, you can see at the very top it says your apps and there's a little filter icon. Let's tap on that filter icon and turn on show system apps as well and hit OK. Now that we've done that, all we need to do is tap on the search icon at the very top and we will type in UI for user interface. You're looking for the One UI Home app here. Tap on that here and you can see One UI Home is installed. The first thing that I would recommend doing is scrolling down on here and tapping on battery and setting battery instead of optimized to unrestricted. Basically, this will allow it to use as much resources as possible and prevent lags. The next thing we will do is go back out here, tap on storage, just hit the clear cache and the clear data, and then hit the delete button, and you're good to go.